these are my filters that I get from the gold. And I know what a lot of people do, they burn it and then they refine it. But the last time I done these, what I did was, what I'm doing now, is I put Acarija in it. So that's what I'm going to do again, because I got some gold out last time, so I'm going to put some hydrochloric acid in there, some nitric acid, and leave it on stew until tomorrow. And time will tell. It's a big old jar, big old beaker. So I boiled these filters and left them overnight. And what I'm doing now is I'm filtering them for an old t-shirt there. It's really thick. And then after, I put some cotton wool in this filter. So this is the end result. Pretty clear. I find that's the quickest way to do it. Just get the worst of it out with an old rag and then put it through another filter. A lot quicker. So I've got to do the rest of that yet. There's going to be stones at the bottom. There's some, I can feel it with the stick. There's probably some small diamonds and other little stones in there. I've got to try and get them out. They've all gone to the bottom, so I'll just be careful when I do the bottom piece. So this is the last of the gold filters. I'm just filtering that one off. And then it goes into here. And then I'll neutralise that and then drop it with sodium metabisulfate. And this is what I've got out of the filters. I don't think you can see it in this light, but there's some small diamonds and stones in there. Yeah, you can't see it. Yeah, I'll just go through all that and pull them out. I can't actually see none from this camera at all. You can see him without the camera. But it's night time, it's artificial light, you just can't see it. But there'll be some stones in there. I'll just collect up the diamonds, put them in a jar, and then I'll sell them separately as a little job lot. So hopefully we'll have some gold in this. It won't be a lot, but it'll be something. So this is the gold I got from them filters, in gold filters. I've just dried them out. This lot I got out last night, but I let it settle overnight and I got some more. So I've given them a wash. They've only had one refine, so I'm gonna get the weight on them, see what it is. It'll have another refine later on. Yeah, that's alright. Maybe a gram. There wasn't a lot of filters there, and they were pretty clean, to be fair, the filters. Alright, let's get a weight on this gold that came from them filters. .7. I was expecting a gram, but I'll take it. 1.7 pure gold, I think. I'll put this in the XRF machine. You can see how pure it is. I'll do that next. I'll put it into a little coin holder, and I'll put it in the XRF machine. Okay, this is the XRF machine. I've put this gold into a little coin holder. So let's get rid of this. Okay. So that's in there. So we want AU. And now it's sampling it. It takes 60 seconds altogether. I'm saying about 998. That's what I'm saying. It's still a little bit dirty. Oh, it's saying AG 9.97%, AU 90%, but it's not finished yet. But it will have another refine before I make it into a bar, and then I can test it on here to make sure it is 999. .22 carat, 22.18 carat, so it's 92% pure gold, and it's only got silver. It's just silver and gold, nothing else in there at all but silver and gold. So there you go. Still definitely over a gram of gold in there, showing at 1.7. So yeah, it's well over a gram. Happy with that. Now I just realised what I did wrong when I refined them filters. I should have put them into nitric acid first to get the silver out of it, and then whatever was left I should have put into aqua regia then. So that's a mistake I made. If I'd have done that first, I wouldn't have had any silver in there at all. But you live and learn. Next time I'll get the silver out first. So I dried out all this crust from the filters. And like I said, you couldn't see the diamonds in that light, but this is them here. So there's only going to be a few that are diamonds. I've got my diamond tester here. So I'm going to test the ones that are diamonds and separate them. They've got to have a clean, they're a bit frosty. There's some other stones in there as well. Looks like a ruby there. You've got green, you've got blue, you've got pink, purple. So yeah, I'll just go through that with the diamond tester and separate the good ones and bad ones. And that's the last job done for the filters. So this is how I test diamonds. I've got a big one here. So basically in these two here, I've just put B and G, bad and good. So I get the tester, I'll put it onto the stone. It normally just goes up 1 dot or 2 dots. It's normally 2 dots if it's moissanite, 1 dot if it's glass or crystal. And then I put that in the bad one. So out of all them stones, I've only found 3 tiny diamonds. I'll get one out to show you. I use this little cardboard box because you can put it right to the corner and it's really easy to get it in there precisely. So that goes right up when I touch the diamond. So yeah, I've got, I think 3 or 4 diamonds in there. Yeah, 4 diamonds in there out of all that lot. And they're only little chips, but they'll add up. Got a little diamond pot here, and then when I get a few of them, I'll put them into auction. And these ones just go in a separate jar, and I sell them as a little job lot of like crystals or stones. There's quite a few in there. So yeah, that's how I sort my stones, my diamonds. Yeah, that's it. So I've put the little coloured stones in this box. I use this box when I'm stripping jewellery. So we've got an opal in there, we've got some jade, got some crystals, got some clasps. I don't put the clasps in the chemicals because they got steel springs in them. And there's a mixture of all sorts in there. And then they'll go into a bigger jar when that gets full up, and then eventually I'll sort them out into different colours. So this is what I had left out of the dust. There's some metal there, some kind of metal. The next one is all sorts. There's probably some tiny stones and beads and all sorts of bits in there. These were the ones that weren't diamonds. And this was the powder that I left. I sieved it, so this is a powder that came out. So I'm going to put that in the XRF machine, because I'm sure there might be some silver in there. Like I said, I should have done the silver first. But we'll put it in the XRF machine and see what that comes out at. I'll do that next. Alright, so there's that fine powder. Let's put that in the XRF. You can see it on the camera there. Right there. So I'll put it there. And we'll set it as AG for silver. And we'll see what reading we get from that. I'm going to fast forward this bit because it takes a minute to do. So as you can see, it's got 43% silver in there, 4.3 copper, and I should imagine the rest is just plastic and other materials. Yeah, 40% of that is silver. So yeah, I've definitely done that the wrong way round. I should have done the silver first. But it's got no AU, it's got no gold at all in there, so I've got all the gold out of there. I'll try the next bag now, the bag that's got the metals in, which looks like silver as well. Alright, so this is that bag. It's got, looks like bits of silver necklaces and all sorts of bits in there. But this is only going to pinpoint wherever I put it, so the little pinpoint is where it's going to test. I'll stick it there and see what it says there. I'll do the same again. AG. And again, I'm going to fast forward this bit because you don't want to sit there for a minute watching this. So yeah, that's showing that 98% silver, 1% copper, and no gold at all, which is great. So what I'm going to do with them 2 bags is I'll put both of them into my silver filters, and I'll refine them with the filters. There's a bit of weight there, there's a few grams of silver in there, so it's lucky I didn't throw that waste away at the bottom. So I've got the stones out, and I've got the silver out, I've got the gold out, I've got everything out of solution. Just should have done the silver first and then the gold second. So next time, 100% I'll be doing it the other way around. Well, that's it for now. That's that refined. The filters have been refined.